When you hear the word reflections, what do you think of? All right, everyone is saying a mirror, but no one is spelling it right except Justice, actually. Okay, all right, Ivalani is spelling it right. Okay, good. Um, so you think of a mirror. So see this, what we're trying to do is imagine if you have a mirror and it's right on top of this orange line. And this shape right here is looking at itself in the mirror. What would it say? Or what would it not say? It wouldn't say anything. It's a shape. But what would it see? Nor would it see actually anything. And I know that that sounds kind of funny, but actually, what would the reflection look like? That's really what my question is. What would it say? Mr. Dalday, what are you talking about? You're crazy. All right, here's my triangle. And then here's my mirror. It looks like it's 1 unit away from the thing. All right. It would be the congruent. I agree. It would be the exact same size and shape. But it would be flipped around. Let me make sure that see if it's congruent. That's actually a good question. Well, anyway, here. What I mean is let's do the congruent in over here. What I'm going to do is see this spot right here is 1 unit away from the mirror. That means the reflected spot will be also 1 unit away from the mirror. Does that make sense? And this spot over here, how far is it away from the mirror? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so my reflected spot had better be 4 units away from the mirror. 1, 2, 3, 4. How's that? And the last one is how far is this spot away from the mirror? 4 again. So this one goes 4. And I connect the dots in a very ugly way. And it's almost as if I used copy, paste, and rotate. Or not rotate, but reflect. Sound good? But the reason why I did it slowly for you is just because I wanted to make sure that you knew. The way I do the reflect is I don't actually do reflect on a computer. I actually just say, okay, well, how far is this away from the mirror? How far is this away from the mirror? How far is this piece away from the mirror? And how far is this, should this one be from the mirror? And so on and so forth. And that's how I can reflect the figure. And apparently, a lot of you think that this is really cool, and some of you are clapping. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Moving on. 2 more things in 8 minutes.